Ross round super ready to put back in the hive for the springtime. And we got the pieces and parts we need. So this is a Ross round frame, and this is one I've already replaced the rings and the foundation. This is what it looks like. You have these rings inside here on either side, and there's foundation in between. So I'm gonna put one out. It doesn't have any in. This is a super that we harvested last year, and so the goal is to have the bees build their comb and fill it with honey inside of this white ring against the foundation. They do it on both sides, and when we harvest it, these rings here stay with the honeycomb that you harvest, and there's a bottom and a top cover. So after you take them out, there are no rings inside of the foundation, so you buy replacement plastic rings. Now, if you look at these rings, you'll see some cutouts and some notches on them, and they're designed to fit inside of the frame. And there's a little small notch here on either side. And if I'm looking at the frame lengthwise, there's a little tiny notch on either side here, so it lines up the ring and orients it into the right position so that it snaps in flush. If you did not put that in correctly, what happens is then the ring doesn't snap in flush. It's kind of offset, so you want to get it in the right position so that it fits in nice and flush. It's a very quick, easy process to replace these rings on each half. This one done. And we'll move to the other half. And once we put these rings in, the next step will be sandwiching some foundation in between the two pieces. So that's one side. And do this side here. Each one of them, I'm just lining up that notch. You see I got a piece of foundation sitting right there. And this is a kind of activity that you can do. In our particular case, it's a chilly January night, and we're sitting in the living room by the fire. So once we have our two halves with our rings installed, you see these have your flat covers on either side. We're going to line our foundation in these two pieces here. If you'll note, each one of them has some alignment dowels, and this one has alignment dowels on this side, so it can only go together one way. And we simply line up the dowels with the holes, and they snap together. Now there's nothing that really holds these two pieces together except once they're inserted back into the hive, and they're all in place. And they fit in like so, and this one will fit in like just like this, and then inside the hive all fit neatly together. These small springs go in to hold everything in place nice and tightly. And sometimes bees will build a little burr comb in here, but when you're harvesting, you just kind of cut that out. And this is what it looks like once you've got it completely assembled. We've got the rest of the frames to put the new rings and the foundation in, but kind of give everybody a little view of what it looks like when you're coming back apart. Very simple. They come out just like that. And now I've got 6 more of these to do.